Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to unlock the secret to mastering the art of cornrows. Get ready to learn the step-by-step process that will help you create flawless cornrow braids like a professional hairstylist. Alright, so we're going to begin by sectioning our hair, okay, into two unmanageable portions, okay? Of course, you're going to use a ragtag comb, just like I'm doing here, to create a clean part, okay, and even patterns. Secure the rest of the hair that you're not working with clips to keep it out of the way, okay? This step is crucial for achieving a neat and organized braiding process. All right, let's get started. Now it's time to section a portion that you will be braiding, okay? A small portion that you'll be braiding after dividing the hair into two, and that is exactly what I'm doing here, okay? This is a portion that I will begin braiding with, okay? Now it's time to start braiding. Take a small section of hair at the front and divide it into three equal parts if you prefer to do that. Or you can just start braiding by crossing the right strand over to the middle, and then the left strand over to the new middle strand. Continue this pattern, adding small sections of hair from each side as you go for a seamless and well-defined cornrow. To achieve a professional looking cornrows, it is important to keep your braids neat and tight, but not too tight, okay, to cause headaches. Make sure each section of hair is properly incorporated as you braid, ensuring a sleek and polished result. Use your fingers to guide the hair and maintain tension for a clean look. We're going to repeat the same process again, okay? Cross the right string over to the middle, okay? And then the left string over to the new middle string. Continue this pattern, adding small sections of hair from each side as you go for a seamless and well-defined cornrows. Just watch closely. Pay attention just like I'm doing here. I'm slowing it down. This is just, uncut, unedited, just as it is that I'm giving you here, okay? So if you watch this, I bet you will be a pro in no time. And remember, practice makes perfect. Don't get discouraged if your first attempt don't turn out exactly as you envisioned. Take your time, be patient with yourself, and keep practicing. As you get more experience, your braiding skills will improve and you'll be able to create a unique cornrow styles. Share your beautiful creations with the world and inspire others to embrace their natural hair texture. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to our channel for more hair tutorials that will take your styling game to the next level. Also, please share because they say sharing is caring. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And remember, with a little practice and creativity, you can achieve any hairstyle you set your mind to. Thank you.